Hey everybody, Darlington Farm here, back from the dead here, and I am wanting to take you guys along on kind of the next journey here for Darlington Farm and, for the business here. If you've been a long time viewer that started out at doing custom cabinets, transitioned into welding, welding's still going on, but now we are getting into doing some excavating. I bought a John Deere 35C behind me here. Yesterday I just picked up a New Holland skid steer, and I'm really excited about this part of it. I picked up a mulching head from Rut Manufacturing. So yeah, check this thing out. It's basically a stump grinder on steroids, and I got the blade carrier here to where you can run just your normal bush hog blades in it and use it to mow grass or weeds or whatever. So it basically turns my excavator into a giant weed whacker. I'm dying to get this thing hooked up here, so let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so I had a little issue here getting this line hooked up. I just had to crack a line at the back of the boom there. I don't know what the deal is. Supposedly if you turn the key on this excavator, it relieves pressure. It didn't work, so I don't know. It's probably just something hooked up with this thing. But, yeah, let's go tear some stuff up. Guys, so I've had this thing about an hour at this point, and I've already had to take the case off of it. No big deal, fortunately, though. It was just a loose hydraulic hose. I got about 5 minutes of run time on it, and I noticed it was just pissing out hydraulic fluid. But it's just a loose hose. So, fingers crossed, I hope that's the only issue I have with this. I think now that I have it and have it running, I think this thing's going to be busy for a while. So anyway, yeah, let's get back to work here. All right, let's get back to work.